I'm not sure how the sound in this video is going to turn out, but I just wanted to shoot a short video of my sound module installed, the ESS Sense sound modules. You get them for $60 at Banggood or at Hobby King. I got several of these things installed, and let's turn it up, see what we got. Up now. My post about the sound of the foam trimming to get maximum sound, this is what I was talking about here. If I had a third hand, it'd be easier. But this first cut is to allow for clearance of the hatch when it sits down on the top of the turtle deck. Now, this other cut is just to keep the second cut right up here to the foam, is just to keep these sides from being restricted, from being pushed in. See, the speakers want to shake it from the center. I'm thinking the best place is in the center here, where maximum flex can be obtained, even with these short height walls. So, and you can see that if you look real close. The speakers are there to be able to excite the foam in both directions instead of half direction. I didn't shoot a video of what it sounded like before I made this final cut because I wasn't sure what would happen. But I did this, and I also cut it here to allow for even a little more airflow to come around, because these transducers can get kind of hot. So I hope this helps. It's kind of hard to tell the sound in an enclosed area like this, but serving off memory from my previous installs, I feel pretty good that I'm going to get adequate sound. And this module is on 75% power now. If I decide that it's not enough, there's still lots of room to thin the foam out here along these bulkheads and along the side, which will allow this to flex even more and should increase the sound. At least that's my theory. So hope this helps for anyone wanting to install it. As soon as I get a moment to do a flight test, I'll shoot a video of it, or just shoot it out there in the field, even if I can't fly. Thing is, it's dark out now, so I can't get out. Thanks. Bye.